Welcome to today's lesson, how to harmonize the 6th diminished scale. Alright, so if you haven't watched my videos on the 6th diminished scale, go check those out. I'll run through it real quick just for you guys who aren't familiar with it. The 6th diminished scale is... Okay, we're just playing the major scale, adding a sharp 5 or a flatted or diminished 6 to the scale. And in the key of C, that would be the A flat or G sharp. Okay, now then we learned how to do that in contrary motion. Alright, and then those are the first two steps. Then we learn how to harmonize that. Okay, so I'm going to show you that slowly and break it down. So starting on the root note, we're going to start this similar to how we did it when we just played the scale in contrary motion. Okay, and it's also going to create a snowball effect, and what that means is the chords get bigger as we expand out from side to side. So we start with one note, and that's the root, right? So we hit that root, that's C. We started with one note. Now we have two notes. We have B and D, the 7 and the 2. All right. Then we go to three notes. We have the A, the C, and the E. That's the 6, the 1, and the 3 of the key. All right. Then we have A flat, C. I added in this E flat and F. You could leave the E flat out. I just like the fullness of the sound it gives. That also keeps us the snowball effect going. Gives us 4. All right. Then so I have A flat, C, E flat, F. Right. Next chord is we have 5 notes there. The chords are getting bigger. So G, A, that's the 5 and the 6. C is the 1. E is the 3. G is the 5. Alright. We go back to the same chord we just played before this one. Just have the A flat on top. So we have the F, the A flat, that's the 4, the diminished 6th, the 1, the C. We have a flat 3rd here. The 4, the F, and the A flat. Again, that's the sharp 5 or flatted 6 or diminished 6, okay? Alright, then we go to a, how many notes was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Then we have another 6-note chord here. We have an E minor chord in the left hand, E, which is the 3, G is the 5, B is the 7. Then we have a C, the 1, E is the 3, A is the 6. I like that chord. Alright. Then we go D, G, and B. D is the 2, G is the 5, B is the 7. Play the exact same chord in the right. Alright. And you can play the last chord a couple ways. You can hit a quartal chord. That's hard to say real fast. Which just means that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 intervals in between each note in that chord. But from the left to right we have C, that's the 1, G is the 5, B is the 7, D is the 2, G is the 5, C on top the 1. Or you could just hit a major C major chord, E, G, C. Alright, either way, then bring it back. Same thing going back, D, G, B on both hands. E, G, B, C, E, A. Back to the F, A flat, C, E flat, F, and A flat. G, A, C, E, and G. Back to the A flat, C, E flat, F. Back to the A minor chord, A, C, E. There we have like a 4th diminished. I guess it's not even a full half. You need the F to make it a half, but that's B and D. Back to the root, and that's 1. So real slow for you. One more time. C, B and D. A minor chord there, A, C, E. Okay. A flat, C, F. You can add the E flat if you want. Alright, next chord. G, A, C, E, and G. Same chord we just played, just putting the A flat on top. Or the previous chord before the G chord with the C on top. So we have F, A flat, C, E flat, F, A flat. Alright. And we have E flat. I'm sorry, not E flat, but E natural. E, G, and B, C, E, A. I have D, G, B, D, G, B. Alright. I mean, that's basically it, guys. So take that. You want to work on that in all 12 keys, though. You don't want to just play it in C and stay there. You want to take it to all 12 keys, because learning everything that you know in all 12 keys will help you to better understand the keyboard. It will help you learn how to play by ear and just really understand the inner workings of music and how all the chords are used, okay? And, you know, in each varying key. Because the chords are the same, guys. You learn your chords. They're all the same. There's only so many chords. Once you learn them, you have them. And then you just have to learn how to use them in the context of the particular key you're in, because you may use them in different positions along the scale depending on what key you're in. That's another lesson. But that's it for the 6 diminished scale, harmonization. I hope that helps you. Till next time, peace.